Man, I don't know if you can hear that, but the cicadas are going crazy in the hangar today. Huh. I guess it's that time of year.
Good morning, departure VisionJet 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, 9 Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, 9 Juliet Mike. Let's take off runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike.
If you've hung around this channel for any amount of time, you know that I am a huge fan of the VisionJet. My ownership experience was great. I enjoyed every bit of it. I enjoy flying the VisionJet professionally. I enjoy bringing my friends and family in the VisionJet. I also enjoyed the volunteer flying I was doing with medical patients and military veterans in the VisionJet. The VisionJet was the perfect aircraft for my mission. Now, was the VisionJet perfect for everybody's mission? Well, some people will buy a VisionJet and realize they need to go further, or they want to go higher, or they want to go a little bit faster. But think about it like this. In order to gain about 25% more speed, altitude, and endurance will cost you another 100%, if you will. So if a VisionJet is $3.5 million, for you to get to the next level with, say, HondaJet or Citation M2 or something like that, even a TBM 960, those prices are broaching $6 million. So for the price of the VisionJet, I would be willing to sacrifice that additional 25% performance that we leave out there by saving the price of the acquisition. So a lot of people get involved in this whole discussion about, oh, the VisionJet is so limited in what it can do. Not really. The way I think of it is I can put 4 adults in here. We can probably go 2.5, 3 hours of flight time. And by then, anybody on board is going to want to use the restroom probably anyway, right? So we just make our fuel stops that coincide with when we might need to use the restroom or when we want to have a dinner break or get lunch, and it works out just perfectly. It's just really important to have the right sort of expectations. And again, we could spend $6 million on the next level of an aircraft, but we're only going to get 25% more performance. So the VisionJet really is nice. I would rather spend the $3.5 million and get what we get in the VisionJet in terms of its safety with the parachute, safe return feature, all those things that go along with the VisionJet safety record. Look, we all have ambitions to go higher and faster and further, but sometimes we just have to be a little bit more realistic and put a price on those capabilities. In the case of the VisionJet, I think that it does a very good job for what it was intended to do. And again, it's a transition aircraft, single engine operation, so you don't need a multi-engine rating. You just simply need to be qualified as a strong instrument rated pilot, and you have to have strong pilot skills sufficient to pass your initial type rating, and then go and get your recurrent done every year. And then you're capable of flying the VisionJet. I appreciate you guys coming along in this video. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Doing so really helps me out and shows the people at YouTube that you like this content. And so the good news is, stand by to stand by. We'll be providing more VisionJet content in the future, and I hope you are looking forward to it. By all means, until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new video content is posted. And I can't thank you enough for your questions, comments, and feedback. Until next time, safe flight, and we'll see you on the next flight.